enter street again. See now another vibe, another street vibe. We say more enter hood. This area now Owoko Niron, you understand now, based on the street talk. We say more go around today, more can ask people. You don't reach like 1 week now when we say they relax the lockdown. More can ask them how business be for their side. Because we dey online now, we dey hear some kind of rumors. Say we don't know whether na rumor say government want like bring the lockdown again. Say me that check 1 or 2 things based on say the numbers where they get the virus they increase. But when we ask people now, say how far, how the business be, and if they say they want bring lockdown back, how they go react. So yeah, now more enter this hood, or Owoko Niron, more hear what they want yarn us. Follow me now, more go. Okay, now still on the street talk now. I say make I still enter 1 or 2 places. You know, say I tell una say na business people I tackle today. I ask them how their business be. You understand? I see Owoko Niron and still dey. I still dey the place. I dey feel the place a very nice environment. But I dey see business people. Nobody dey smile for here. You understand? I don't know the reason why they dey smile. I don't know whether na house matter or I been a government matter, I been a money matter. I don't know the matter. But I still ask them say how far. The same question why they ask them how far how business be now. And now wey government dey use that dey talk say they fit bring the lockdown come back because the numbers dey increase. How e be for their side? You understand? But I no fit answer these questions now. Na them I go still ask. So more na chill. Ma still ask one of my mama for area now. Mommy, how your side now? How today?
We thank God though. We thank
okay.
God.
You dey run your business. You understand? Your business dey go before COVID-19. How your business be before? Before the virus come, how your business be?
Before everything was moving smoothly. Now we were managing. We were pushing it.
Okay,
it was steady to an extent.
Okay.
But now, based on the fact that, or let me say based on my observation, I think to get raw materials may be the problem due to the lockdown that we faced previously, and I think people were not able to go out there to import the raw materials, so they could not produce what we need. Okay. So now, based on that, there is price hike.
Before wey corona never come, business dey go. If you come out, you go see something. But if you now and corona come and fasting or our Muslim people can't come again, can't join together, the thing come dey somehow. So we know they see much as we dey see before. So
we are selling a pint of sugar for 1,004. Before now we sell for 2,324. Wow. So the price hike, they were telling us okay they couldn't get raw materials to produce. Even drinks is now expensive. So I think it has actually resulted into price hike of goods, foods, the food that we eat, the basic things that we use, even soap. Soap is expensive. Can you imagine?
Anyway, we can't compare when wherever everywhere was locked down to when it was opened back. It was somehow dull, but all the same we still thank God.
Before corona, you know, business was booming, you understand, but after the lockdown there was serious let me call it setback on every businesses. It's a big blow for business, and we hope this pandemic goes as soon as possible. That's our prayer, you understand. But as to whether it has actually affected the business or not, it has given us a very big blow, and that's all I can say for now. Okay. If the government come to us say now they don't vex, say they want knock us another like 2 weeks, more we stay chill. How you reason now?
Well, we no get option now, but now to talk to our God, say may God touch their mind, may them do something. Even though in 2 weeks or 2 months, may God touch their mind. May they put money for account. May they distribute something for people. Even though they want to make we stay at home. But we pray that may God have mercy on us. Take away this corona away from us, from Nigeria.
To be personal, like to me, let me be sincere with God. I think I prefer the lockdown because let me say, it's one life we have. Business, you will do business like you can do it for years, you still live that business. So once you die for life. That's just it. I think this thing is real. But the lockdown, I don't really support it. The way they were, like the way they arrange it now, like open 9 o'clock, close by 3 o'clock or 6 o'clock. I think it's okay with coffee.
I don't bring that one, no.
nobody want any lockdown. Hungry virus is more stronger than coronavirus. Shey you dey feel me, bro?
I dey feel you that
Hungry virus dey o, and hungry virus pass coronavirus.
damn.
You dey feel me? Make dem no try am o.
lockdown tó ń pariwo à ń wò lórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì ààrẹ anybody akọ̀nfẹ́tì gbọ́ ni kọ́ má fi kan affect àwọn kan àwọn ìjọba wa wọ́n ń rówó tó ń fi ń jẹun àwa mẹ̀kúnnù àròwọ̀ àwa náà ń fìyà jẹ kọ́ àfẹ́ lockdown.
Normally.
Business no dey like before again o, since when corona don dey like this na wetin I say I dey shop today I dey try go out sef I no get money for transport everything just jam themselves.
It will not happen, Sha. It will not happen because everything is not move like before.
I no want to.
Why you no go want? Wetin happen?
The one wey dey first give us we no even like am at all. Make am come give us another lockdown. They wan make hunger kill us for house.
How many isolation centers do we have? Look at the figures. Where are they being isolated? Where are they being kept? Every day we get to see like 100 plus increase. What is it now? Haba.
My people, they say more na reason deep. Mommy, thank you, Joy. It's really nice hanging out with you. I check my time now. Time down they go. Man, go house, man, go chill out. You understand?
You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball.
Mama, people, see, I don't hear talk today. I'm surprised. I swear. Walk on you, people this who there. But I salute them. You understand? They talk their mind. Say big thank you to people where they this hood. Because if these people no talk, we for no know how they be for the streets. These people, they be strictly street. I salute now. I go house now. I go chill for my house. I beg. I don't do street talk today. I go fresh up. I gallant. I use my many wash soap. I bath well. Man, they alright. Let me self no go catch corona. Say na street talk how they do. Nobody like roughly. I beg. Prevention is better than cure. I want to say a very big thank you to Oct 8 Studio. Oct 8 Studio. If not for that bros, for not well for day today. Then a very big thank you to our fans out there. People where they like our posts for Facebook, where they watch us for Instagram, where they watch us for YouTube, where they subscribe to us for YouTube. Not too much. And if you not say you never do, I'ma beg. Wanna go like our page for Instagram, D Black Studio, DBLAQ Studio. Also, if you follow me personally for Instagram at WF_Ortega. I still remain your own boy, Slimzy. And I go by the name Eloho Ogonetega Kulesi. So you guys just, you know what? Just stay tuned, keep following, and you're gonna see more things on the street talk. So keep it, hold it, enjoy it.
You're not fooling.